Hey guys, this is Udit. So today we'll be learning a very small topic which is called how to scale our router across multiple files. So this is a folder routes. Here we have created index.js, and here we have used default JS for our default routes and user.js for our user route. And here we have basically created a user router, and user router will be mapped to router.use, like this, chaining the router. And here we will be doing a ping for the user router. In the default router, same way we will be using main or default for the default router, and we will be chaining this thing for this thing also. And that's how we are doing it, guys. We are using both these router here. uh, Here, and then importing index.js here. So I think I have done a small mistake here, which is in default.router I am returning a router which is not required actually, because I am calling a function default route, so it's not needed. So I just wrote code few seconds back, so I think I made a mistake. So let's see. Yeah, it's running fine. Let me check if it's running fine or not. So we have to go to server.js. So we are setting up route in this file. Here it is an API. Now we go to index. Index there is for API. We are going for the main router. Router.use main router. And in the default route, so in the API we have to go to main and ping. So API main ping. API main ping. Ping called, so it's ping called, and we have to call another one which is API ping called user, which is called for user, and user ping called. So guys, this is how we can scale our router. We can create a router for each of our resource, and then use it, user ping called. So this was all, guys. So we can pass status also, just to show you how to do it. I know that you guys already know it, but just to check whether it is working fine in my code or not. So it's working fine, and let me do it again. User ping called. Yeah, so guys, that was what I was trying to show in my last video, that status we should put and change it according to our work. We will discuss about REST status in very great detail. I hope you found this video little bit of little useful. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and please also comment in my video. It will be great help and great favor. Thanks a lot.